What is up guys, TechRex here. In this video I have the iPhone 6. This is in perfectly good condition, just to take a look, no cracks or any scratches or anything. And I've also got a drill with me. It's an 18-volt drill. We're just going to go right in the center, see if anything happens. So I've done this before with the iPhone 5, but I actually had the drill in reverse, so you know, it wasn't anything dramatic, but who knows what's going to happen with this one. Let's just go ahead and do this. So, right in the middle. Alright. Whoa! Let's just take a closer look at this. Wow. That is crazy. Look at that light. Let me go ahead. So it didn't actually puncture, you know, it just got inside, but the thing is, it still works. Look at that. Still. Oh, okay. So I found this thing here. It was just right next to the table in half. So it broke. But here's the iPhone, guys, so that is pretty crazy that this drill managed to do that. Thanks for watching, guys, and as always, peace out.